Before starting any business, you gotta install the entrepreneur mindset. All of the successful entrepreneurs have these common traits. They have this mindset in their mind. That is why they are launching successful products, successful services, and successful businesses. You gotta have the mindset or a burning desire to create something of a value. You have to add value as a product creator or as a service, or you're launching a new business. You have to add a new value. How can you add a new value? You have to find the gap in the industry, or there is a weakness that must not be fulfilled, and you can fulfill that weakness by launching new products, services. Here is an example. MIP, it's my family business. They are not doing Facebook ads, they are using currently YouTube. So if I need to enter into the business, I don't have any business right now. They desperately need sales on the Facebook. So I can find the Facebook expert and bring that into the deal, because I am solving the pain for my family business. They are looking for a sales, but they don't have skills, talents in Facebook ads. I can bring that skill, or either I can learn that, but I would advise you to find out the experts. And then you negotiate the deal with the Facebook ads expert and your family's business. You can have your own cut too, but if you're doing it for family, you can solve that problem by earning any money. This is the just example of starting a new business. What your mind should be, you should look for opportunities that are not being met. I just gave you the example. They are not talking to anyone. They are desperately struggling with Facebook ad sales, or looking for more sales, or looking for more growth. You as an entrepreneur, ability to see others in others business where you can help. This should be the mindset or character trait you must have. When you look at the other businesses, you can find the gap. You should have that capability or ability. Hey, this is the gap. They are not targeting that channel, they are not doing that strategy, something like that. So ability to understand the concept of value creation. In life or business, we are rewarded by problems we solve for others. Let's think in terms of Amazon or Elon Musk, or ChatGPT. The owner are solving the problems for others. As an entrepreneur, we are rewarded by the quality of problems we solve for others and significance of the problem. And this is the important opportunities we create for others. Just like this, I will create a new opportunity for that business. Before, as an entrepreneur, your job is to add more value, whatever you decide to focus on. If you want to build SMMA, you have to add value. You have to think first, client or your customer, how can I grow his business? How can I add more sales? Then you will be successful. This is an example. I have expertise in content creation, mostly technical content creation, programming tutorials, or programming related software engineering based content. So there are a lot of companies. LinkedIn Learning is one of them. They are looking for authors, constantly looking for technical authors. I have the capability. I solved that problem in specific topics. They are looking for content. They were looking for content in specific topics. I solved that problem. I said I'm gonna create the content for you, and they're gonna split me equity or deals, commission structure, and advanced royalties, something like that. This is just an example. What I did, I created the opportunity for a company. I solved the problem. Before start, you have to make some decisions. Your goal or commitment should be grow and develop them. To grow and develop your client's business, to grow and develop other people, to grow and develop by adding your services to other people. This is the most crucial point. This is the operating driver. Grow and develop other people. I gave you the couple of examples. Like if I add another content to that company, they will generate more sales. Increase your they will increase the market competitiveness. They will increase brand awareness. Look, I have added the value. Add meaningful value by solving problems, creating opportunities for people who will work with you. I want you to watch these videos a couple of times, like one day per week for 7 days. Embrace multiplier mindset, not a diminisher mindset. This is the concept I learned from my mentor. Your goal is to make everything better, like solve the problems for a client. Client should feel secure, satisfied, and confident. You make your client's life easier by solving the problems, pains, and opportunities for them. By growing their industry, by continuing innovating and improving, you should have a passionate focus on how many people you are adding value to each day. You should be passionate about adding value to other people's lives. If you will have that mindset, I'm 100% sure you will be successful. If you act like a selfish mindset, I want to sell that service, I want to sell, or I want to make money, I want to sell that service, you will be failed. You will make money when you solve problems, when you create opportunities for others. For example, you can say, I will create opportunities for my clients, I will save problems for my client, I will make their lives better. Whatever product or service you are going to start, whatever industry you are going to target, you are the creator of a value for others. It's called value detector or value creator. Another concept I have learned, you should also adopt that as an entrepreneur, you should take the negatives in any situation and you should turn them into positive. What does it mean? Whatever the problem you have or your client have, you should not be frustrated. You should accept as a challenge. Whatever the weakness you have, instead of being like overwhelmed, instead of being frustrated, instead of quitting the business, you should be excited. I'm gonna show you why. You have to learn how to turn any negatives into positives. What are the problems in any business? Lack of resources, lack of talents, lack of expertise, lack of experience, lack of like self-doubt, not confidence. These are all the couple of major issues in business. Don't have money to raise the capital, not have capital to find resources. These are all the major problems. You should not be like frustrated here. You should be excited. What you gotta do, if you have a problem, your problem will be the solution of somebody else's bigger problem. All you have to do, find out who are they. You can say people who have an abundance of resources but are not using them efficiently. Maybe you are looking for a sales team or a salesperson. You can find a salesperson who has a maybe full-time job, but he wants to make more money. He has more time, but he has not any further new opportunities. You can present the opportunities based on commission structure or a like contingent basis deal. You should not pay the money. You can do that type of deal. Lack of expertise, lack of talent is not a problem now. You can joint venture with people who possess the talent and who possess the expertise. If you want more content on joint venture, please put the comment. I will add more content on joint ventures. You can enter any emerging market. You can penetrate as many industries. You can launch new businesses in a day or in a week or in a month. All you have to figure out who they are, what are your advantages to them. What does it mean? Let's say you don't have a talent in a specific area. You can find someone who has a talent. You can bring him or her on equity basis or percentage basis or success oriented fee basis. Let me show you a couple of examples. In my family business, they don't have they are not doing sales on Google ads or Instagram or Facebook. They don't have expertise. What I can say, I who has a skill set of Facebook but does not have clients, I can form a joint venture with them or strategic partnership with them. I can ask this question: who has the space of extra Facebook ads on the part time? Maybe a company can handle 10 clients, but they are doing 5 clients, but they have the capacity of 10 clients. I have to figure out them who is and pitch a deal. Hey, you are already lacking your time. You are not utilizing your resources 100%. I have a deal. You can make money. Instead of doing nothing, you can make money by setting up joint venture with me. Who is new in the market but lacks clients, want more clients? I can, these are all my of 3 targets I'm gonna hit to do that deal, my family business deal. Let's say I don't have any clients right now in my business consulting niche, right? I don't have any clients, let's say my business consulting niche. Who is struggling right now? I can ask this question in my circle or in my network or Facebook groups I am involved in, or I can ask in the LinkedIn groups, Instagram like followers. Who is in the pain right now? Who is struggling desperately? Who wants to grow? Who is doing okay but looking for a capital to grow? Who is thinking who needs money to grow their business, right? Facebook ads, YouTube ads, Instagram ads, Google ads. Who is thinking in this way? Who just started the business that does not have enough capital to grow the business? These are all my joint venture partners. Who does not know how to grow a small business or run social media marketing? These are all like a person who is over 50 years of age. He does not want to learn Facebook ads. He have a capital, like maybe he want to grow, but he is looking for a path. I should reach out to him. These are the, so this is the mindset you gotta develop. I showed you the example mindset. I want you to watch this video over and over again to adopt that mindset. If this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel and leave the comment below.